Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to video number 6 for online dating series. Today we've got another profile review. God damn, we're gonna be reviewing another profile out here. So video number 6, let's go, let's start it. Let's go. Damn, B-roll, dalo. Welcome back guys. Hi, my name is Kshitij. If you're new to the channel, firstly you gotta hit the subscribe button because we talk about dating advice, personal development, and how you can build an amazing lifestyle, how you can get into a relationship, a long-lasting relationship as well. We talk about a lot of things on the channel. It's just about how to be a better person in general, and you're gonna get a lot of nuggets out here. Check out the other videos out here, but make sure you hit the subscribe button first. You spank it, smash it, and you demolish it. Shit. Just a quick reminder I've been giving in one of the past videos as well. This Tuesday on the 16th, let me just confirm, it's the 16th, right? Yeah, this Tuesday on the 16th at 10 PM, I'm doing a webinar on online dating. It's a free webinar training. As usual, there's like limited seats available because it's just like 500 people that we can accommodate for this one. It's going to be a close-knit webinar where all of you guys who have been following me, you guys can come. I'm going to be teaching you more about online dating, going deeper with it, and then there's going to be a Q&A session as well, while at the same time I'm going to be launching my program on online dating and teaching you how you can get mentored by me personally, where I can do your profile reviews, where I can help you with your text game directly, come in, help you write a bio, and there's going to be a lot more involvement in that. Basically, we'll be working more personally for it. So that's going to be the time when I'm going to be launching the program as well. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be once in a lifetime opportunity. It's going to be fucking amazing. Alright, make the most of it. So, before further any ado, as Shakespeare would call it, let's go and let's get it done. I'm not even sure if Shakespeare would call it. Let's go start with the profile review. Anyway, so here, we've got a 22-year-old guy who's in the Merchant Navy at AESM. Alright, that's, I mean, decent. I like the name, but firstly, that's not what I'm going to be looking at. Firstly, I'm going to look at the picture. And again, like in the last video, the first picture is a gym selfie. It's not a gym selfie, sorry, it's a mirror selfie. Do not do mirror selfies, man. Do not do mirror selfies. Again, your eyes are looking down, you're not looking into the camera, you're not smiling, there's no emotion out there, it's just a selfie. Every other guy on dating apps have mirror selfies and women absolutely hate it. Do not have a mirror selfie, have a better selfie. I mean, I'm sorry, do not have a selfie. Alright, don't have selfies. Selfies are not there for dating apps. No, not cool. Next. Oh, good stuff. I like this one. I like what you're wearing out here, bro. I absolutely love it what you're wearing out here. It's fucking gangster. The only thing that I would change out here, but I'd change a lot of things. I'd get a better camera, maybe an iPhone or like a Pixel. An iPhone with a portrait mode, iPhone 11 Pro is going to be the best if you can get it from a friend. Even better would be a DSLR. And then get clicked while doing something badass in a candid mode where your face can also be seen, or like when you're just like standing like this and you're just looking there with like an amazing background behind rather than a toilet. And I can see the sink and all that stuff out here, alright. This could have been an amazing fucking picture, right? I absolutely love it. And this is one of the reasons why I chose it out here. And I think you're a smart dude, bro. I can see an amazing undercut out here. Like, you know, your face in this picture also looks good. And I can see that V shape going, bro. I mean, there's so much possibility. You're fucking your chances up, man. Come on. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So that's the bio. Right, seafarer. Okay, Netflix plus YouTube plus food. What? Movie is greater than books. Night is greater than day. Dogs is greater than cats. Chai is equal to coffee. 29th March, do wish me, Mr. Sailor. बड़ा क्या कर रहे हो? Guys, for you to learn how to write an amazing Tinder bio and choose pictures, firstly check out the other videos in the playlist and check out the previous profile review as well, where I told you that you need to make sure that your bio is polarizing. Your bio tells the person something about you in an emotional manner, which can be funny, which can be polarizing, which can maybe push them away, or which can screen them, which can just not qualifying you. And there needs to be some emotion. When I read this, there's no emotion out here. It's just nouns. Seafarer, Netflix, YouTube, food, movie, books, night, day, dogs, cats, 29 March, wish me, I'm Mr. Sailor. Like there's no emotion. This is literally like free association, children. Like how do you free flow out here? 179 centimeter height, pretty tall. I think that's 5'10". Yeah, I'm 5'11". I think I'm 181. So I think that'll be 5'10". Drinking socially. Yeah, I mean, your height is out there, so if someone's looking for height, वहाँ पे मिल जाता है. And I think this is Bumble, right? On Bumble, there are questions where literally they ask you, nightclub or Netflix. Alright, so you can say that, you know, Netflix. and you can say that. So you should utilize the questions down below rather than putting all this stuff out here. Movies are greater than books. I mean, bro, this, like, it's not required. It doesn't tell me anything about you. It literally doesn't tell me anything about you. Dog is greater than cats. No. Chai is equal to coffee. No, bro. Like, you know, you gotta polarize, man. Either be like, coffee is greater than chai any day. Like, please swipe left if you think chai is better than coffee. If you're an Indian, every time chai is greater than coffee. Like, you're just not a proper Indian if you think coffee is greater than chai. I'm being a bit too harsh out here, but those are my personal feelings. Like, of course, you're an Indian. But, guys, chai is always greater than coffee. That's going to be an amazing polarizing thing out here if you were to put that. Chai is not equal to coffee. Chai is better than coffee any fucking day. You could be like, Chaios is better than Starbucks any fucking day. I don't give a fuck about your entitled ass. Alright, what do you think about it? Okay, like, you see the intensity out there? That intensity needs to be there. Don't try to please people. Do not try to please people. Get into that part where some people are going to be like, oh my god, I don't like this guy. And some people are going to be like, oh my god, this guy's so funny. This guy's so funny. Even I love chai. And then if you're a fan of 47, the rap artist, he's so just like, दिन में भी चाय चलती है, दारू की जगह अपनी चाय चलती है, ठीक है? So like, I mean, he's got this raps and stuff, and plus Chaios is out there. You know how big of a fan I am of Chaios. Now that's another story that you guys know why I became a fan of Chaios. But anyway, chai is always greater than coffee, man. Come on, that's such a polarizing thing to say. And then you'd want to put it in sentences. Stop using nouns out here. Put it in sentences. Like, chai greater than coffee any day. Kill yourself if you think coffee is better. That's going to be an amazing bio. Or even better, chai greater than coffee any day. If you disagree, swipe left and go kill yourself. Right now, I'm serious. That can be an amazing line in your bio that you can put out there. Seafarer, I mean, I would not put like seafarer because you've already said that you're in the merchant navy in your name ke wahan pe. Okay, so I wouldn't put it out there. Yeah, show more of your personality, man. And like that line, the chai coffee wala, I think that's something that I would use as well. Like, that's fucking amazing. Like, thank you for giving me a fucking line, man. 29 March, do wish me, please remove Mr. Sailor. What the fuck is Mr. Sailor? Please remove. A lot of things you can remove out here, man. A lot of things you can remove out here. Put in some time, make a well-crafted bio which says something about you. Watch the other videos to know how to create a better bio. My tip would be not to use phrases but put it into sentences. Tell the person about you. Be a little bit funny. That's great. If it's not your vibe, I think chai coffee thing is gonna be enough of a hook as well. Personally, I like to like fill up my bios. I don't like really short bios. I can't say that I've tested it extensively, but like a longer bio, I can give in more emotions. Like, you know, sometimes I can screen the girl and push the girl away, then I can pull her back in. I can show off, and then I can be like, oh my god, I'm just kidding. And then what I can do is like give that if-then statement. Another picture. So here you can see seas. I can see two pictures, both of them at the sea. Am I trying to match with the sea out here? Actually, you know, there's something else you can see out here. You can see two of me out here. You can see two Kshitijs out here in these pictures because the literal translation of my name is horizon. So if I were to use these pictures, it could still be funny. Like, dude, why do you have like a sea picture out there? Because that's me. Like, you know, in the distance you can see me where the sun is setting. That's me right there because my name means horizon. But here, I think there's no personality. I'm not here to match with the fucking open water. And if I want to see a picture like this, I will go online and Google it. On a dating app, you do not put pictures like these. Remove, delete, please. And there's Poco here again. The fuck is Poco? Shot on Poco F1. What the fuck is shot on Poco F1? I have no idea. Let's move on to the next picture. It's a black and white picture. I could dig a black and white picture because it breaks the pattern. It's something different. You can make a black and white picture and test it as your first profile picture because when people are swiping right and they see a black and white picture, but it needs to be great photography and you need to be like doing something. So he's looking in the distance. That's good as well. I mean, it's decent. It's much better than the other pictures, man. The war picture was the one that I really liked, and like, you know, gangster gear and stuff. Maybe that's after paintball. I'm not really sure. But this picture could have been better because using a better camera and a little bit more distance, or just put it as your first picture. I think it's decent, but it could have been better. That's all I would say. Let's check out another profile, and this is his Tinder profile. Let's check it out. The bio I've already covered. Let's check the pictures jaldi se. Again, it's a selfie, and it's a selfie of a toilet again. Please remove. The next is you standing, but grooming can be a lot better, man. Better pictures can be there. Why do you have another dude there? And both of you are looking in the camera and almost like aggressive, but if you'd be laughing around or maybe talking to each other and make it candid would have been much better. Next is again the sea picture. And he's messaged me out here. Rarely I get a like, match is negligible. Negligible matches, rarely he gets a like. And this is all of the problem that's out here, bro. So make sure you use this, change it out there in your profiles, make a better bio, get better pictures. Like, you'll have to put an effort, man. And anybody else watching it, keep these rules in mind. Create a bio, well-crafted bio for your personality. Keep the congruence and everything in mind. If you want to know more about this stuff, there's an entire playlist out here. Watch that playlist if you haven't. And that's going to be all from my side, guys. Just a quick reminder, we're doing a webinar on the 16th at 10 p.m. The link to it is in the registration box below. In the first link is going to be of the webinar. Click the link, or you can go to this URL and register for the webinar. There are limited seats available. Make sure you do that. It's going to be a webinar on online dating, and there's going to be a Q&A at the end. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, we're going to be doing another Tinder infield. I'm going to show you my complete process from start to finish, how I message the girl, how I get a number, and then how I text her later, if that's out there. Alright, so for you to be updated on that, guys, come on, hit the subscribe button, just thank it, smash it, demolish it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been a pleasure. Peace out.